How to fix Google Play services keeps stopping. This kind of issue is actually prominent and most common on your Android device. So for this, to fix it, first we will open up settings on our Android phone. Then from there, what we will do is we will go to the option called apps. Now we will enable the option to view the system apps. On any Android, just look for the three dots or the settings icon and select show system apps or anything like that, right? So you just have to make sure to turn on this option called show system apps and tap on OK. Now when you do that, just search for Play Services, which is Google Play Services right there. So you can see Google Play Services, not Play Store, but Play Services. And from there you can go to storage. Now simply clear the cache files and also clear the data. Remember that you might have to re-log into all of your Google account and tap on this option called clear all data and tap on the confirm button right here. Once you've done that, if it's possible, when you come to this app info page again, tap three dots icon and tap on uninstall updates. Now do the same thing for your Play Store also. So go ahead and search for Google Play Store also. Go to your storage, clear cache and clear the data. Then tap the three dots option, then tap on uninstall updates. Now after you've done that, go to your Play Store, tap on your profile icon, then go to the option called settings, go to about, tap on update Play Store and let it update. And after that, simply restart your phone and that should help you solve the problem. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.